Welcome to Mathathon. Wondering how to book a class? Let me guide you. It couldn't be any easier with our online booking. First, head to our website. Under the Plan and Pricing tab, select the class pack that works best for you. Log in or sign up with us if you do not have an account. Once you have successfully made payment, you may find your purchase under My Subscription. The number of classes will be reflected. Choose your desired class that best suits your schedule and book your class. Tell us a bit about yourself and add a personalized message for us if you have any special concerns or requests. You will receive a booking confirmation email and find your booking details once it is done. It's simple and convenient, isn't it? Congratulations, you are now a Mathathonist. Feel free to reach out to us if you need any help, and we will see you at our Mathathon classroom.